Hello everybody and welcome back to Middle-earth. I am Raven Shadow. Let's divide and conquer. A process which in this case starts with ending the turn because we've already done everything for this one. Okie dokie. Here they come. They've got a little bit of a march ahead of them though. Meanwhile, Dale over here. You can take as long as you want to set up, okay? But of course I would prefer that you move quickly, yes. Like this. Right into artillery range. All the factions look so amazingly good in these mods. Ow. Oh! What is it that leads enemy siege weapons to be so accurate? I ask you. What the ever-loving fuck? Basically, when you fight the AI, you silence the siege, or you lose. So let them be silent. Our own ballista is, well, at least it's not useless. Oh boy. No thank you. Oh boy. Great. Yep, that was ours. Oh boy.
Units, move out!
Well, this episode is off to a great start. absolutely magnificent. So good. If I had had the mental energy at the time and thought it out in advance properly, the way to prevent that would have been probably to leave one unit besieging the fort and then take the rest of them to attack the Lake Town army, destroy that, get it out of the way, and then go back to besieging.
Pull back! We must pull back! Pull back! We must pull back!
But it can be really hard to find the spoons sometimes. Ah, I see we are defending Erebor again. Let's go. Well, here we go again. Bring it, bitches. I mean, I guess I admire the dedication, but seriously, stop. Okay, finally. Well, that's an interesting sight. Push! There we go. I got it then. Actually, never mind. This one will definitely be different. Please try it. 4% for 24%? I can live with that. What? What? No! No! I don't believe I told you to do any such thing. Get back inside. Thank you very much. It's not that I don't appreciate the initiative. It's just... What? What? It's inside! The fight I want you to be ready for is inside! That's why I put you there! Ugh. Friendly fire.
Pray something changes in the course of battle, for defeat seems almost certain.
Boom! Oh, great. So the time limit's not half over yet, but their army is almost halfway gone.
Changes in the course of battle, for defeat seems almost certain.
Seriously? Why are you the one warg unit that's not capable of charging? All the wargs are dead, which means it's time to use more ordinary tactics. We'll still probably need to hold them until the timer runs out, but last time we didn't. Last time we won just as the timer was about to run out, if I recall correctly. Well, all good things must come to an end.
The enemy are battering down the gates!
Why don't you try a swing? Delicious. I hope so, because each of those is only like 2% or like 1.5%. And meanwhile, we still get to shoot at you.
Blast their eyes! The enemy's ram is through our gates!
Here we go again. Hope this shit's fun for you. Hot damn. As always, the ballista. Ah! I mean, at least the catapult has upgraded from shooting our troops to shooting our walls, but just wait for it. I'm sure they're gonna hit one of these units and just obliterate, like, the whole thing. Presently. Coming pretty close there. Regardless, we deeply appreciate Dale's decision to clump up like this. Did we just get a good catapult shot? I think we might have. This doesn't make up for everything, catapult, but it makes up for a lot. You're forgiven for a lot of shit now. Hey! Alright! Oh. Heh. Dale is going for the archers on the wall, and I can't say I blame him.
The battle seems to be swinging in our favor. From such tidings does victory emerge.
I hear that happens. Dang! Holy shit! Our catapult appears to be hell-bent on redemption, and it is a good look. Now see, that was a little more like what we're used to. Yeah, hey. Whatever, it's okay. Where do you think you're going? So this is fun. Hey. Okay, stop. Guys, stop firing.
The battle is very much in our favor. Victory will be ours.
Hey. Pretty sure this means the army's dead. We didn't get all our wargs back, but we did get back a shit ton of them. And the army should be dead. That's it's about as good as we could hope for, really. A die. No reprieve.
They're attacking the camp!
That tracks. Well, look who's ready to upgrade.
Get ready for fighting! Pick your feet up!
An honor, Lord. At once.
Angmar.
Tired of ordering your own forces about, eh?
I'm tired of you not wanting to be allies.
Without question, my lord.
Ah, here we go.
What is it you wish to discuss?
Trade rates?
Acceptable, but only just.
That kind of makes sense.
You have another worthy proposal then.
Yeah,
Excellent.
I have a whole ton of map information in a locked account, and I just need a little bit of money to get it out.
I do not believe I'm able to accept this.
Yeah, that figures.
Until we meet again.
Snugga archers, nice. Gotta love them Snugga archers. See, what exactly do we want to move for?
Orcs!
What's out here?
Pick your feet up! Come and get me!
Oh, hi! Hi. I was wondering if you were even still there. Do we even want Cometh Breen? No, we do not. We probably do want Zog Kala, though.
My lord. Oh! Get ready for fighting! Come on! Orcs! Oh! Come on! Pick your feet up! Come on! Get ready for fighting! Pick your feet up!
Okay.
Get ready for fighting!
Yes, get ready for fighting.
Oh! Get ready for fighting! Pick your feet up! Listen up! Come on! Oh! No sleeping here!
Perfect.
Kill them all! Just listen up! Break attack!
Okay, I tried to auto-resolve this, and we lost like 1,000 guys. So we're gonna fight this manually. So this is definitely the best use of our game time. Go on, get out of here. Wait, no. I probably should have turned the timer off. Okay, get the gate. There. Ugh. Oh my god, hit it! I need you to hit it! Well, that's slightly better. There. Okay. So that's done. Now we get the towers. Hopefully. There we go. Now get out of there before they start shooting with the before they get in range. So, yep, so that can happen. So that they can shoot us with the towers. Okay. Losing one guy to the towers is, you know, I'll take it. It's just a goblin. It's just a goblin. He was on siege crew. Like, everybody else has got his slack. Huh. It looks like one of our bolts went through the door and killed some guys. That's fascinating. I can't really tell whether we're hitting anything, though. As close as you need to go. I need you to actually hit it. Your lives are worth it. There! Thank you! Lives well spent. And now we shoot through the gap. Maybe get a little closer. Eh. Their other tower is doing it now. Okay. Just the wrong angle. Great, 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 great.
Objective complete.
Oh shit, we are running out of time very quickly. Tried to do the smart way. Didn't work. We're just gonna have to throw everybody in. This is why we take the timer off when we go to assault a settlement. That's why. Down he goes.
The enemy are badly bloodied. They have lost half their men.
Yes, please end the battle. Whew. Okay. Well, I believe that's less than half what the auto-resolve was gonna kill, so we're good, we're good. Destroying towers is always worth it. Or almost always. You gotta get the gate first.
We destroyed the enemy!
Second time. This time we exterminate. There we go. Now we have to hold it. What will we call this episode? I believe we already called the last one Dwinburg. Because we took it. And then we lost it. We can't call it Dwinburg. Well, I guess we could call it Dwinburg again. But that's gonna get old.
I will only address you in battle.
I'm starting to wonder if you ever will.
Oh! It's a trap!
Okay, next turn. Saw that coming.
They're attacking the camp!
Oh, again? Really? Fucking hell. Well, let's do it. And here we go. you guys are not currently doing anything good. Stop shooting our own guys. Okay, not quite how I was hoping that would go, but if you're sure that's what you want, archers. Very smart.
Pray something changes in the course of battle, for defeat seems almost certain.
Well, well, shit. Here we go again. Ow. Ouch. I guess cavalry can't really destroy battering rams, can they? Oh boy, you ready to cry? Never mind. Stonefoot Spearman, this'll go great. Yep. It did stop the ram, though. Well, astonishingly, 2 of them survived. I love that they just march away. It's like we hit them with melee once and this unit is like, okay, time to go back. That was a very loud bird. Still is, in fact. Okay, all the wargs are dead, but our archers aren't. Open the gate! For a change, this is what I want you to do. Keep moving. Close the gate now that it's open.
Defeat seems almost certain.
The whole point was to delay them. Why is it still open? Ugh. Well, these guys got in.
Pray something changes in the course of battle, for defeat seems almost certain.
Ah, yeah. Back to the old tricks. That's exactly how things used to go. That's preferable. Our catapult is basically taking the Anna Kasparian approach. Huh? Sometimes it works.
The battle seems to be swinging in our favor. From such tidings does victory emerge.
Okay, stop! Destroy the ram, please. Do you not know how to do this? Seriously? What do you think is over there? Can you at least destroy this one? Thank you. Nothing is over there! If we bring the siege equipment outside, can they shoot it? Can our general hit it in melee? Apparently not. Okay. Back inside. There! There we go. Oh. Why did I even bother? The reinforcements are stuck. That was pointless.
The day has ended, and with it all hopes for our enemy. We have vanquished our foe. This is a victory all Christendom will come to know.
Yeah, but does anybody know what Christendom is? Die.
Move! We've destroyed the enemy!
Whatever. Yeah, nobody cares.
Retreat!
Oh man. It's the thing I was afraid of.
Defend the camp!
Okay, what do we got? What do we got?
Be gone!
Tell you what, we haven't got archers.
It will be an honor defeating you.
Get ready for fighting! Move!
Can you not hide?
Come on!
I need to hide.
Move!
Seriously?
Come and get me, you coward!
Okay. Oh, hi.
I'll rip off your head and spit down your neck!
That sounds fun.
Listen! Pick your feet up!
Where's the...
Come on!
There it is.
Drop! Pick your feet up!
You know what else we don't have at Bjorn's Hall? Towers. I remember that now. Fuck.
Hurry up! Be gone! Hurry up! This way! Stay right there! Oh! Pick your feet up! Come on! Oh!
Well,
Kill them all!
I mean, we probably ought to do something about that, right?
Listen up! Get ready for fighting! No sleeping here! Listen, come on! No sleeping here! Pick your feet up! No sleeping here! Attack!
Yeah.
Pick your feet up! Come on! Move! Orcs! Pick your feet up! Please kill them all! Destroy them! Don't waste time! Listen up! Come on! Please attack!
It's their faction leader, Bjorn himself. Don't think we can really do it with just this crew. And they can hold out for 9 turns.
Get ready for fighting! No sleeping here! Listen up! Pick your feet up! Regroup, you louts! Oh! Come on! Pick your feet up! Listen up! Move! Come on! No sleeping here! Get ready for fighting! Orcs! No sleeping here! Listen up! Oh! Regroup, you louts! Pick your feet up! Get ready for fighting! No Pick your feet up!
Can you also not hide?
Come on! Oh! Come on!
Any mercs. Mercs!
Listen up! Regroup, you louts! No sleeping here! Oh!
Okay, well, I feel like I made a lot of mistakes this episode. Terrible time. Still looking forward to next week, though. Hope you'll join us for those mistakes, too. Until then, you know what to do. Support the strike, and play well.